Got the bravery, such a valid feeling. Got the recipe, I'm cooking up, I'm swimming at me. I've been pushing pillow niggas, busy politicking. I've been pushing big on my leg.
Chomi, you need to
Lingerie.
lingerie, Chomi. You need to spice things. Abo atafika ubhala ufone lingerie yakho. I-cleavage mayiphume entombazanini, guys. Cleavage.
Guys, umphathise kokuqanda kakunokhona ubasted omlingo aromat nje.
I'm interested cela umbuzo ba why do Hans prefer sugar daddy more than us? Yeah, I know us we don't have money, sugar daddy banemali. But then isn't it a risk uba mabayi sugar daddy because maybe sometimes the sugar daddy maybe bane 3 million HIV thina asinayo.
Asikwazi thina ukunifundisa mina. Kamfonyoza. Ngizithuna imithi noodles.
Yabo.
Umuntu abenepifta.
Yabo.
Ibe nkulu ibe right.
Yabo.
Abela fika ngithi 2 minutes.
Yabo. Washayinsa. Yabo, sometimes life izinto ezibaningi. Kumele uqhune sometimes. Yo, what up everybody? It is your boy Public Meta Butter, and guys, we have a guest. So just before we introduce the guest, I have my co-host here, guys, and they would like to introduce themselves.
Yo, what's going on, everyone? It's your boy J Power, but ladies call me the Daglin Master Chocolate here, you feel me?
Yeah. Daglin Master Chocolate here.
Yeah, you know what it is. You can go kwa Riatilanete, but I go by the name Slim Ray. It's well almost.
Yeah. So, Anna.
Hi guys, my name is Lusanda.
Lusanda, what Lusanda?
So KZN oh. Bangibiza umzulu.
So guys, we have a few questions for Ulusanda, because the girls bayasilanda ukuthi thina asibi ne-perspective yamachira. So we brought a woman also ukuba ashare nayo perspective and to answer the questions thina singakwazi uziphendula yabo. So yeah, Lusanda. The first question up, do you think a relationship can recover from cheating?
Why you say?
Relationships also recover with cheating.
Why?
Hi, ushithile. Okay, fine. Firstly, umuntu wesifazane mayishitha ne ushitha nge-feelings. Umuntu wesilisa mayishitha usuke nje efuna ukuyova nje yabo ukuthi no man impatho njani ngala injani yabo usuke efuna ukuyoqhathanisa impatho but umuntu wesifazane namayishitha ushitha nge-feelings and umuntu wesifazane masayishitha usuke sephumile kule relationship kodwa kuyona esefocus kule azoyiqala.
Kumoya nabendithatha yo wala nabendithatha bana abantu besifazana bra bachita nge-feelings bachita nge-intentions abaveske bachite nje yabo abaveske bachite nje. So do you think your relationship can recover from cheating?
Recover. Xa chita amachita abantu bayakwazi usixolela. Ibasithi amachita abangakwazi ubaxolela xa chite bona. Xa chite intombi chita ngeqefo niyaqonda into enye lapho imikabinyathe
DNA omnye umjidi phakathi.
DNA yakho. Yabo. So hayi.
Okay, so wena oyihlohli eyakho pha kuhlohle khona umuntu ongamazi.
Yashiya pha.
Inayo yahlaba nayo yabuya zehlamba.
Wena uzane DNA omnye umjidi kuwe. Kalo DNA emzimbeni ihlala for 7 years, so imagine.
Ayikho into enishoyo guys.
It's proven.
Umuntu nje i-relationship soze recover. Yafine ungashitha emntwini wakho ne. Ubuye uthi no mhlawumbe akubhaqe ne. Then bese uxolisa. Akuxolele but akazoxolela 100% because akasezukuthemba.
So yeah guys, technical difficulties kancane nje. So yeah, we're just gonna jump into the second question. So
after second question, akayesithathu la level N. Okay.
Sizobuza zonke questions then sizawudlala iVN after. So is there any way to prevent cheating? Is there any way about we prevent a good relationship?
Ayikho. Umuntu mayefuna ukufeba uzofeba. Akathandisi wena ba.
Ikhona.
Njani?
Moni umuntu wakho uthando.
Ethando not enough.
I-attention, umphathise kweqanda,
Okay.
abe iqanda le-hotman.
Okay.
Siphi isado samanje bakashite.
Ungajola umuntu ongabhejiyo.
Ewe,
Ha.
xa ndimthanda.
Ha.
Umnoko uma umthanda uyamthanda. It's not like umthanda uzongena emjolweni because sifuna ukubhejwa. Hayi, ngifuna ukuthini
Gaucho. Ningenela ntoni emjolweni? Ufuna uthando.
Sifuna ukuthandwa.
Mama akakuthandi enough.
Uyangithanda umama.
But intoni ifuna
But khona la second part. Ekumele ndiyifumane. Olathando lihamba nebifta. Ekumele ndilifumane. So mama akazondinika yonke into.
Yeah. How's it make beef?
When do you feel like
And then,
ikhona indlela ongaprevent cheating?
you can't, guys. You can't prevent. The only thing you can control is icala lakho. Icala lomnye umuntu awukwazi ukucontrola, guys. Uba partner yakhe ingacheated. You can't do anything about it.
Zima. So wena zange wacheat.
Mna
Yeah.
angaze ngashitha. Long distance relationship.
We long distance.
Umuntu wami ngisho bangifunda la muntu wami akekho la.
So, nisebenza njani kuzo?
Ufuna deeps kaloku. Maybe not someday if it's back you long distance. Sikwazi like
No, kukuthi wena uzazi ukuthi ufunani. If wena uyazazi ukuthi ufunani and umuntu wakhe uyamthanda, there is no need ukuthi ushite. Because uyanginikeza attention, uyanginikeza isikhathi sakhe. Uyanginikeza uthando lwakhe even if engekho lana.
beef dale ukhulume ngayo na.
Kaloku ipifta ngiyayithola xa sendiye kuye.
Okay.
Kaloku ipifta ingene ekuthini umzali uyakuthanda ne. So umzali angakuthanda ne, but khona le part leya yesibini ukuba umuntu akuthande bese kunika ipifta. Yes.
Needs, umuntu une-needs baba.
So uyakwahlala inyanga ungayifumenanga
Inyanga
ibhifta.
incane.
Hlala how many months?
Okay, last time ngoba kade ngifika lana esikolweni ngihlale I think ngifike ngoJuly ngaze ngazombona ngoSeptember
Maths manika.
October.
Shit.
You, baba, you.
Hi, next question.
You, baba. Okay, so why don't men take accountability for your actions now?
Eziphi ezi actions zithetha ngazo kuqala? Because ufuna ukwazi.
Funa uvakuya qala. Why don't men take accountability?
Accountability for your actions.
Ewe.
Eziphi sinike thunje.
Umuntu mayichithile nje kuqala. Akafuna ukuvuma ukuthi nina nivuma ukuthi nitshithile nina. Phike ne-screenshot. Umuntu aphike ne-profile pic ezibona ukuthi uyena, aziphike.
Akwazi umuntu udi number yakho atshintshe.
Afake ne-profile pic.
Ewe.
Uphike ne-voice note.
Ewe.
Njani?
Khona uza
AI.
Yeah.
Technology.
KSB obviously she did. But hayi ngavuma nibanje ba.
Phima uphike uboniwe live SABC1 uboniwe mos ukuthi bomeni nobani. Uphike wena, uphike nje.
Yaxhomeke kuba ndibonwe ngubani. Ba umntu wami kanibonanga yenzekanga lona.
Mayikubonile yena.
So ithetha kaloku.
ufuna ntoni phandle ngahlali kokwabo endlini.
No mhlaza phandle yena.
Ufuna ntoni strategy?
Yona ingcolile. No guys, abafana barongo. Shuthi okay fine. Shuthi nami mangabe ngiyintombazana ungibone ngishitha. Shuthi uzabe ungangibonanga.
Ingxaki ku mistake yami ndifuna ndomphandle mina.
Oh wena mistake yakho ufuna ntoni phandle?
Ndifuna ndomphandle.
Bongamelanga bephandle.
Ewe. Cause baba behlala endlini. Botsho ka uzoya phandle ngihlala endlini. Communication.
Okay.
Prevent cheating.
Wena itshela xa ingaphuma wena uphandle kumele isho kuwena ukuthi okay baby ngiyaphuma manje. Bese wena ungena endlini.
Yeah, because
Ingene endlini nalomuntu undamba naye kwazi ungasiboni.
Singagilana.
Nenzeni endlini mase ningena endlini?
abukwenziwa
Silele wena ugqithe then siphinde siphume phandle.
Amen. Hayi amen.
Aye guys yadlala man. Doing for camera.
Wow.
All fiction.
But we do take accountability at some point.
Aye ayikho. Ndiyaphikisa.
Oh, you
And
wanna?
nami ngiyaphikisa.
Uyaphikisa na?
Nina yikho into engingayiphikisa.
Xa banjwe bayafeba.
Eh.
Yintoni igama lokuqala lithethayo? let's say iva kuthiwa wena uJohn uzibani into oyithethayo wena yokuqala igama.
ubelieve yena ngoba mna
Yava. Utheni ungasho yena uboniwe.
Bye, no man,
Asijoli
sisumbonile ewe ndirongo. Okanye noma ndijole. Ewe ndiye ndaphaza.
Yabo,
Ndiye ndaphaza.
even toxic benza kuxelela okay John ulisedi ndiyamthanda man ulisedi ndiyamthanda and ulisedi ngumntu wami wesibili ufuna ndikuxelela lona ulisedi ngumntu wami wesibili xa wena ndikuthanda more than ulisedi xa ulisedi yena undinika idogi kamnandi ufuna loo nto ufuna loo
Yo.
yabo inyani yakha yabo ibuhlungu inyani.
Hayi kodwa at least uzobe uyithethile inyani kunokuthi uphike uboniwe.
Imagine ndikuxelela inyani awuzuyithatha kakhe.
Ewe ngizuyithatha kahle inyani but at least inyani. Kunokuthi ngihlale amanga.
To the weekend, I'd rather lie than lose you. I would rather lie than lose you. Never.
Hayi okay ke kushuthi ku right uthi nina nexoke then thina sikawazi ukushwamanga.
Ayikho segazini yenu laa nto mani ngamantombazana.
Yokushwamanga.
Ayikho. Ogogo benu kanti banifundise njani? Ogogo benu bayayimela into tamkhulu babeyenza. Ngoku kulezi ntsuku ezinje.
Anishiye ezilalini.
Kwaku 1980 baka lezo
But
2000 ngoku sama 2000 ngoku.
So
Umthetho owethu.
ukhulume ngubani ukuba ube ngulo muntu?
Hayi noma
Besifazane
nganikhuluma
lesoyiso manje.
ugogo but ke kaloku wayengikhulumela uba izizathu zakhe.
Yeah.
Ngokushuthi kumele ngihlale umuntu wami uchithile ngihlale ndithi okay awuxolo baby ndimoro ngokuthi ngibonile.
Kuthiwa unconditional love.
Ezinye izinto ziyalungiseka. Akho need violence. Yes, nomntu wakho. Ndimoshe 1 2 3. Hayi masuka toxic. Okay baby ndimoshile phana pha ingxaki bandimoshile wenze nawo nendawo zakhe zero. Intombazana izothi into engayenziyo uzibana yenza.
Zenzi zonke.
Yebo.
Yenze ukuthi akazenze zonke because nawe umnikile motivation oba asenze sonke.
Udinga imotivation ngokuze senze izinto.
Man isimotivate nathi basenze izinto.
Motivate.
Xa uzabela ufuna undibeke ndibese spring chicken unganiguquli.
Zenze.
Tell ungayicingi baziguqule.
Hayi bo ngizothi kanjani manje what if ngizoziguqula uthi ndithathe phi le ndize nenye ufuna uthi ndize nenye ngoku ndithi ufumene kakhali asikwazi nokuspice izinto because uthi mase spice uthi uyithatha phi
Anonyanza kubuza ufundiswe ngubani? Who cooked here?
umbali uyamphekula umenzithatha
Ngombali.
Yabo flower yena yazi ndayenza flower. Siyamazi udumile uflower elalini.
Balise yawenza.
ithatha izinto ezenziwa pha ngaphandle ne ufuna uzosifundisa umuntu wakho
Wena uzobuza ba what's happening? Because 6 months you're on.
Izinto zenzayo noma inchiko ongazenzi nomuntu wakho wasecaleni.
Yeah.
njenganani
Hayi.
Zikhona main chicks. Zikhona main chicks ezingayisakhi dick. Kombe yo kodwa ndiyazi loo nto ndiyayithanda lo kodwa umbali uyayenza uyenza ngaphandle kwamazinyo yena uzongiloma.
nathi ke mantombazana zikhona izinto nini umuntu ojola naye azenzayo ne but pha ngaphandle ukubona ba nomani
Uthabo no uthabo
Thabo manje
specific.
hayi ngibasezini
Awumafi. Uthabo uyamafa.
uyayikhotha igqe uthabo uyayikhona uyikhothi
Ngeke ngiyikhothe igqe.
ngiko why umuntu wakho
umuntu athi hayi lo mlomo lo ngikhuluma nayo madlozini usiyenza hayi bo madlozi ahlanganaphi siyajola la sibawu 2 kuye kuthaba vela fika yenze yonke lonto
Khulumeni ngoba.
nice
Amadlozi bayifikile kuphela ukhulumela ingqozo.
Ukukhulumayo.
imagine ke noma uhambe lapha ngaphandle uyothola kuthabo bese ubuya usula umlomo
Uthoba kakhulumi namadlozi. So important iphela.
Naye Thompson uyakhuluma namadlozi.
Yeah.
Ukuthi nje
Uyithathe emadlozini landa kanjani?
should you wait line 8 wabo.
Yeah.
Uyayenza.
Siyaphuma kutopic. Siyaphuma kutopic. So the question nenye. So what are qualities that usifazane must have to say already ukuba abe ngumfazi? What are the qualities she must have?
Yeah, switch up like ziziphi qualities ozifuna endodeni ba feel like even if angakupropose ungavuma ngumfazi wakhe. Ngoba nithi abantu abakhulanga mos.
Nabasiqede ngayo eziphi qualities
Mfazi. Imali kuqala, imali espendwa nje.
No.
First of all, imali fanele nendlela ukwazi uspenda ngayo kuqala.
No.
Okwesibini, azaboza baleka wena siqala kuwe. Ushare fanele ngagroove oko at least xa ugroove nje special occasions like imitshato iparty ungayigroove intombazana ucanga ukuchata njani
Professional.
No.
okay sibi andisusela ne but sela ngendlela right so suba i-whale.
No.
bakhona amantombazane alandwe emagroovini alethwe enziwe abafazi.
Yabo wait mina ngeke ngitshade qa cherry secaweni ekhonzayo bese rejectors yazobo umuntu afeba gqiba ecaweni esibini egroove
Hayi ke shothi uyoshada abanike shothi uyoshada ufudo phela shothi wakho umfazi wena uzombake uzomfaka uoven
skawara
Uzomzoba.
suwara ngizomenza ngodongwe.
hayi shothi uzamenza ngodongwe ngempela because asoze umthole uma ungafuni wasecaweni ungafuni wasegroovini.
Ecaweni kuba bakhona abantu ecaweni inhliziyo embi abantu
Ngabona
basecaweni.
abantu endibaziyo abantu basecaweni like banenhliziyo ezimbi. Like bayajajana kuba bodwa abantu basecaweni.
wayikhuluma ngathi ne-experience
Na experience. Si experience nayo. Ne-experience as a groove. Ecaweni. Yeah.
no man wayakunihethiyo nina.
A lot is been through us.
Yabo guys le sivule ngenxa yovenda. Sifuna uvenda because we've been through a lot.
It's part of healing process here.
And then we're trying to fix umhlaba. Yabo, we're trying to fix umhlaba apha ngalento siyenzayo. They say we bashing women. We're not bashing women, guys. It's just that the experience esiphowe kuzo. Exactly. Yabo, and then ngoku sizama ubonisa abanye abantu ba kunje emhlabeni. Vuka emaqandeni jo. Yabo.
Mhlawumbe ke umhlaba wakho perfect but ke wethu hayi awukho perfect.
hayi amen hayi nihethiwe shame.
Ayethiyo. Ayethwa ngapha emhlabeni.
hayi mina banginceda bandihethe because ndi-happy.
Nathi banceda basetha ngoba ngoku
Vuleka amehlo. Vuleka amehlo.
ngivuleke amehlo.
Because you know maybe in the right and wrong for when know your worth mshite yabo mavumele
nani mantombazana know your worth.
ngavumela nje kwenza iqozi kwenza ipendi kuhlisa
nani mantombazana ngingavumela abafana banenze ophaqa abafamous.
baniyavuma suzuya
no asivumi
kodwa uqeda understand sangofetshelo understand
ndafetshela but zange understand
amshamshe
and I'm sure
waphina wabuyela wona
never
amanga
So sake interview apha.
Next question. Getting personal.
Okay, the fifth question is what causes most fights between siblings, and do you think parents are the cause of sibling conflicts?
Mike.
Envy?
Megapendwell.
What causes fights with siblings? And do you think parents
Something
are the
like
cause?
so.
Mna I think abazali banaso isandla uba i-siblings zilwe because sometimes umzali uyakwazi uba athande omnye more than omnye.
Yeah.
Let's say mhlambe asizala utata befanayo ne. Uzala utata wakhe nami ngizala utata wami.
Yeah.
So utata lona umhethile. Mina shutho wami wamphatha kahle bese ke baxabana ke mhlambe wachitha umama wachitha ngotatakhe then bese ke bihlukana ke. But akazosiphatha ngendlela efana because lona uhethiwe utatakhe. Then mina wami umtata mhlambe waye wachitha. So azangaze amhate. So mina uzomthanda lona omunye akazomthanda. Abazali banayo lonto.
And besides having utata ba different, umzali yakwazi uthanda umntana more than omnye. Yabo. And then lo nto ke ngoku wena uzawuba nengxaki nalo uthandwayo ngoba uzofila as if uyithathile indawo yakho. Yabo something. Yabo.
Maybe if we firstborn, but I feel like Sandile afuna ku understand as a firstborn.
Yeah.
Ufuna ku understand because bakhona abanye abantwana abaphakathi like bayalityalwa like straight umntana ophakathi like the middle child akakhunjulwa straight uthola ukuthi umzali wamshiya ufuneka amlanda esikolweni na yonke laa nto yabo ziyenzeka ezaa zinto badala abazali and they're going through a lot guys andinozoblame abazali yabo wena as umntu onengqondo uthixo ukunike ingqondo uba ucinge just make sure ukuba you understand because kulo mhlaba lo esikuwo if unentliziyo encinci uzawulimala baba. Uzawulimala baba.
Hello, hi.
Wena
No comment from my side. I don't wanna comment. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna jump straight to the next question. So, do you believe witchcraft is real or it's just a myth?
And mna ndiyabelieve because kukho incident eyenzekayo apha nazikhona soyi-3 I feel like I explain better le way.
Okay.
Guys, what happened?
So I don't know besenza ntoni ngala mini but salala late. Okay, I think things are selling ngala mini. And then mna nje out of the blue I woke up because unayo laa nto yokuba umntu ukujongile like amehlo ayatshisa and once ujike ujonge ubona lo mntu lo kujongileyo. So that day benilele ebhedini yam and then when I woke up ndabona like nansi ndibona ngamehlo qha kodwa ndiyabona into emnyama phaa ndibona ngamehlo yabo uba undijongile lo andazi noba sisithunzi okanye ngumzimba okanye kodwa amehlo ebomvu as fuck and ndiyabona ubana
iba into enjenje lawo ubona isithunzi lawo isifike siletsheza lawo. Yeah.
Izinto ezenzekayo ke ezi guys. So witchcraft is yabo uyacinezela ubumini when you think nje you fighting yabo
let me cook something. Kufanele ihlala so le way. Sometimes bomini fanele kuhlamba i-pillowcase, uhlamba ingubo, ungacinga into zakhe bomini zamakahle yathakathi kanti no.
Ingubo zemdaka sinto zengubo yazi abantu kuthiwa xa ugqiba uhlamba like uyakhululeka ubalusi usindwa yintsende boy hlamba boy
Ingubo uhlambe nawe isiqu sakho.
yabo
Akade guys witchcraft ikhona.
yeah
I like angaze ngayi-experience but yona hayi khona.
as umuntu
Hayi ogogo baba
powerful
But dangerous.
Hayi very dangerous.
There's a different forms of witchcraft.
yeah
Noba nenhliziyo embi yathakatha uma wishela omnye umuntu into enhle uthakatha akho need uba uye egqirheni bawe ezinye izinto
Sebenza imithi and stuff.
ezinye izinto nje yazi zifuna uba uthakatha kwawuthakatha enhliziyo.
The moment ucheck i-status somnye umuntu wane-graduate uthi thakatha
exactly kuthakaza nyani bro like why would you have nje wawungamcongratulate lo muntu even though awumbhalelanga wathi congratulations as long as mvuyela omnye umuntu because you know mos your time is coming wena
yagraduate
uzibani graduate man ndiyamazi umuncu hayi guys umntu angamunca high school xa ifike university abe serious la way
that's impossible kodwa
ubhatala ilecture hayi bo kunjani
bhatala ngezinye indlela but no siyabona ngosothethe ezinye izinto out of line. Next question please.
So the last question is What changes a man's behavior in a relationship?
I think if I pay on the seat then. Okay, qala emadodeni.
Yeah. What changes a man's
Nah.
behavior in a relationship?
Indlela mphatha angonhloniphi umphatha ngathi intwana. I'm not your friend first of all. Fanele acknowledge uba I'm your man.
Lack of intimacy.
Lack of intimacy. Ngisho umthetho. Awungisho umthetho cha uzokwenzakalayo. Awungishayo.
Obviously behavior yami izotshintsha. As besishilo, upalisa uyanginika i-intimacy. Besishilo.
Now me.
Exactly, but you were cooking, my brother. You're cooking.
Exactly. Okay. Fine. You must know I'm not your friend. I'm your man. Uthetha nawe khona amagama fana wabali.
And respect.
Yebo, ezinye izinto manje ungazenza ungangixelanga but zikhona ezifanele ungixelele zona.
Yeah.
Bene assurance okay. No. Ya umuntu wami lo. Enye into. So expect and ukunike uthando lika tatakho. I'm not your father. So utatako fanele kuphathe njengotatako. So expect ngoba uzonibalekisa mos unike responsibility ezininzi. So uzochinja ukuyalo lo up. Khona la nto ba yabo. Unga usuchata. Laba sithi kokwaba bakho abakafaka isiling.
Yeah.
Yabo. So keep lo. Kodwa uncedise baba afake isiling. So yeah. I think it's called valid, but from as valid as
Nah, you must have confidence in what you say, Baba. You must have
I
confidence.
don't change that. Even on top food now, if I'm ngaphandle.
Iqinile xa sithenza lena ungayenzi.
Don't be a Nando's chicken.
Guys, the reason umfana echinja i-behavior yakhe it's because of intombazane. Kuwena ukuthi umuntu wakho umphatha njani. Indoda iyahlonishwa. Umthetho wendoda uyathotshelwa. Indoda mayithi ekhrovini ubuye ngo-9 ubuya ngo-9.
Wena.
Yebo.
Guys, she's lying.
Yes, no, like you
Me, I know
know,
her.
like ngiyapapa ne. But when it comes to my man. When it comes to my man. My man.
Amankazana bafethu. Abankazana ungayibelieve nabethetha. Believe anjena.
Abafana. Sibelieve abafana.
We've seen it all.
Sibelieve abafana.
Yeah.
Peanut butter kuba kwabakushiya desert. No water.
Abanozana yayi bakushiya desert with no water.
Nabafana
Sonke
bashiye
sibrowns.
desert guys. Ningabamamela abafana simamele wena. If umfana ukushithelile, mshiye uyozifunela wakho omunye umuntu ongeza ukushithela. If ufuna umela on top kambali, mangahamba uthathe umela on top kambali, usale nobu spring chicken bakho sandwa
Ngizayikhumbula
sami.
kaloku lena
Iba ne-confidence. Swazakala ukukhumbula i-spring chicken ebeni ufune i-woman on top. Hambe i-woman on top ushiye i-spring chicken.
Izawubuya indiki kaloku la woman on top. Ngiphinde ndifune le Nando's chicken. Xa indikile
Shintsha umbhalo umenze Nando's chicken.
Hayi.
Njani?
Man, the question now.
Akazuba i-Nando's chicken.
I have my own question now. So do you think men do have true love? And if you have woman, do you think uthando lamadoda liza ne-rules ezininzi?
Uthanda amadoda luthe-rules ezininzi torho.
Banayo true love bona.
Amadoda. Amadoda anayo true love.
Kwa experience true love bona.
Ndaye ne-experience true love.
Ngokwa experience.
Ndaye-experience njani?
Then uthi okay.
Okay, uxolo ukusebenzisa ngoku. Ndaye-experience true love.
Okay, word of the day guys. Trip is forever. Amankazana temporary.
Word of the day guys, abafana. Cut off. Cut off abafana.
Kodwa uyajola kodwa zithethe ezo zinto.
No,
Where
abafana
of the
guys.
day funeka kube neentlobo eziyi-2 zamankazana. Nando's chicken no woman on top.
Woman on top chicken.
Yeah.
Mbali chick and
Nando's chicken.
So simamela no voice note ngoku.
Yeah, ngoku guys, we're gonna listen to i-viewers zethu babathini. So ubeka i-mic up kufutshane laa nto.
Yes, yabo le I think lokuqala iza kuwe.
Yeah, this is the first VN, guys.
I'm interested. Cela umbuze ba why do Hans prefer sugar daddy more than us? Yeah, I know us we don't have money, sugar daddy banemali. But then isn't it a risk uba mabaye with sugar daddy because maybe sometimes the sugar daddy maybe ana 3 million HIV. Thina asinayo, we stop handling. Don't you want to grow numb? unqamule uhamba nomuntu ophelelwe ngulife. That's a question. Why would you go to someone like ophelelwe ngulife yena sewubonile ulife wakho uzembeka phi other than starting a life nomuntu oyintanga yakho nihambe noyi-two yonke le journey?
I really question the by 10.
Asiphenduleka.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ngizoba kuve.
Okay. I think the reason amantombazane, some of amantombazane ejulana about sugar daddy, it's because of situations asuke bekuzona. Sometimes uyakwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi wabo awuthatha intweni yabo. Then bona no man. Nangi utathabo pha. Hamba nge-BM yakhe unosisi wesingaka. And uyayikhipha imali. Thathabo nike 1
Nike
1.5 ubuye usothe izinto zakho. So
Ngoba uyobhebhisa utathabo ayinguye lokubhebha inyoka yakhe. Izibali
guys.
ezinye izinto.
But I think the reason amantombazane yako sugar daddy situations abasuke bebhekene nazo. Not that mhlawumbe umuntu usuke yomthanda baby daddy, no.
Baby dad, sugar
Sugar daddy I mean. Sugar daddy.
Ne-grand nge-answer zakhe.
Ngifuna ukubuza.
Thathi kupha mic lo.
So njengoba sithi ne. What if ubunomzwandile ne? Nomzwandile yamazi nisuka nonke elalini. Yabo. Hayi akasipana brand. No you too like nithi okay. Like you have plans before near eJozi and then no you too ningena eVets University. Yabo. Xa ningena njalo wena as use university udibana ne big boys. Yabo, drive ama Rolls Royce. Yabo, as umjide sisho. Ufuna ngicela uba lo mzwandile lo osuka naye elalini uzomshiya phambili just because of the situation yasekhaya okanye into ethile.
Okay, like I think then they shile kule part is because amantombazane aya go baby daddy because of the situation one.
Sugar daddy.
Go sugar daddy situation ne peer pressure. Cause njoba sifike varsity so you no baby. So fike ngifumane ichom. Chom ufaka u-32 inch. Phathi iPhone. No man. Angiblack dibe in. 2 weeks nami sengihamba nge-weave. Ngizombona ubaby ngathi no man baby kade akenze kahle. Like ubaby akangiphi imali. Yabo. Kanti no man, utamzuku uyandiphi imali. Like yonke engifuna utamzuku mangithi ngifuna ibag entsha eyangithatha ngisakaluwela. Mangithi ngifuna into ethile eyangithatha ngisa. So I think it's a pressure and situation osuku kuyona.
Just guys, naive lento peanut butter nesonke ezibrown ne desert naive.
Amantombazane leave you in a desert.
No guys, nani mos nabo sugar mama. Ingene ekushisa cherry yakho uye ko sugar mama.
But ezo zinto ezo
Benefits.
zivela ngo.
Benefits namantombazane.
Mara zoyitya nawe tani unamanga ukuyitya nomzwandile wena.
Mna xa ngigqibo ufumana kulandoka kunomtha. Xa ngigqibo ufumana kunomtha imali sihamba siphuma kwi-date.
Idla nawe le mali.
Ndikhupha kwezi ndawo ozithandayo. Udla ipizza. Into ongaqelanga.
But uye ku sugar mama ngaya ku sugar daddy. Neyone efanayo le.
Into efanayo.
Ngihambe ngofuna ibenefits nami ku sugar daddy.
Awuyitya nabanye abangani bakho.
Uzongibuza masiba ngithethe mase ungasho ungadla umbhejo weshare yakho.
Wena uyabona imali.
Uyispenda kuwe.
Hayi njani uthini ngazonto.
Ngabona sazudle mase umbhejo weshare yakho.
Hayi bathe ngento utye.
But ungathi uyibuza uyithatha phi imali ngakho.
Too many questions. Questions zakhe imali lomlomo.
But abanye bangabuza like seriously. Ukuthi manje phela nemali ekubeni singenamali.
Ungena ndaba zami. Ungena just behave uyatya ulala utyile cha uphapha ubuza into zakufunile. Ulahlwa pha ngombala kulahle ulamba apha.
Amen.
So okay, next to VN.
What areas in a relationship need improvement in order for you to take things to the next level?
What areas in a relationship do you need to improve in order to take your relationship to the next level?
Chomi,
sindweni ofuna kuimprove.
awukwazi kaloku ukufika kwi-boyfriend oko wena unxibe ezaa pyjamas zakhe Mr Price, ezaa pyjamas zakhe Pep. Chomi, you need to
Amalanjari.
lingerie, Chomi. You need to spice things, yabo. Asefika ubhala ufone lingerie yakho. I-cleavage mayiphume entombazanini, guys.
Hayi,
Cleavage.
not bonke
Kodwa kuselayo mani bayintombazane baklini.
Yeah.
Usufaka i-full paint. Oh God, i-full paint. Minus i-full paint. Iba namapaint amantombazane a-right, a-sexy. Iba sexy.
Hayi oko
And suba
funeka ndifike unxiba iduku.
And suba sesifike ebhedini. Iba ubhale ebhedini.
I feel like-
Indoda yakho, uma ufika endodeni yakho. Uba unonkilo endodeni yakho. Ukuthi mayifika ngaphandle
Kumbala.
inkilozelwa. Abone ba no man, umuntu omkiloza ubhetha nakulo.
Neswaka. Yabo.
So iba
Mosika before uthenge imoto test drive kuqala. So uzowazi njani ba lo baphandle uwenza ngcono kunawe ngam-test drive wakho.
Kaloku uzomnake umtest driver but afike shem imbali afike ubone uba nawo mani performance right. Ayifani
yazi mnandi njani into ngeyo yakho into ibayo ukwazi
umnandi
ibhiskiti
kangaka
kamakhulu
ushiyela xa uweba.
yabo.
Forbidden fruit. Forbidden fruit. Ucinga edemo yenzani yena?
Kodwa guys amantombazane mos.
Okay, le question ngiyamzulu naye ba. But izibhekise ukuthi le VN soyidlala ngoyabo.
Okay.
Okay. Yo, but le too personal.
Kazi.
Ithi kena nakiwo wonke ama relationships akhundlulekiwe banga ukuthi akwenze umuntu onjani njengoba ungulo muntu onguye namhlanje. Njengoba umuntu onjani ke lama relationships ondlulekiwe mhlanje umuntu onguye ma relationships njengoba umuntu onjani ke azomiyangizwa
Yeah, like kuzo zonke relationship ulule kuzo zikuchintshile ukululo la ngoku umuntu onjani
It's still the same.
wangena unjani uphuma unjani.
Uqala nangena ndi-innocent. Ndaphuma ndiveba. Ndangena kwenye ndinjani.
Ufeba uphuma ufeba
Hayi.
bakwenzana bakubonisa inyoko so you god.
Ndiveba ya ndangena kwenye ke.
Show you mara mantombazane.
I have too many questions but no.
No.
Sendela baqala.
Mina I've always been a sweet one. Sweet na feba baswela angachange no change nangena ndi loyal nangonse loyal. Hane.
Dangena ndi grand and then the first one I was the one who flopped, so ndaphuma ndiziswala and then ndaqomba okay, let me go back to being loyal. Yabo. Xa ndibuyela nalo bangithini baba.
Bayicreate inhliziyo.
Yo bangidlala. Yo mangiphuma kula relationship. Yo aqonda oyanya.
Okwayibonisa mente xa ichitheleyo.
So ndaphuma ndi-broken kule relationship, yeah. Ndaphuma ndi-broken and I'm still broken and it's hard to commit ngoku. Yeah, it's really hard to commit.
Someone who can fix me.
I don't know, I have to fix myself before ndingena komnye umntu serious. Yabo. Yeah.
Sangiphendulami.
No love girl maswena. Okwaloyal. Sangwafeba.
Bevele ngakade sanginefeba. Nabangihethile ne. Bangihetha. Oh Nkosi yami bangiheta. Bangihetha mina. Yeah. But yeah, was in the right. Send a healer. Dihilishiwe the right.
Uhilishiwe.
Na kule relationship akuyo ngiyelile umjini.
No, zange ngisebenzise rebound.
Why oh ngijenge negative perspective.
Wangiqoqosha ngiqanda nje manje. Le Hotman.
Yazi guys umphathi sokuqanda
Ukhona ubasted omlilo ngo-aromat nje. Ukhona nje ubasted nje omlilo ngo-aromat. Ucabanga ukuthi wena no umphethe kahle. Kanti
Kanti izawuqala imfry iqala.
scrambles
Scrambles wena. Faka aromat.
ayibuya bakuwe ubuye crispy bra. Buye crispy. Straight.
Somanjwela.
leqi ixesha guys
Yeah.
UVN esingaphi S4 sheke after leave ugqibela.
Yeah.
Okay.
Si buzizwita ba why bona like amangazana like afundiswa sithi mus like umdavazo lawe but why bona xa i-out like ingawazi umdavazo bangazi ukwazi uyifundisa babuye bathi hayi lo awuyabhede bhedini yet bona thina sibafumana bakhona sibafumana bengazi into sibaqeqeshe xa uthi andazi into kutheni ungandifundisi le nto uyazi ndizoyenza because mna ezi out andithi ndikwenzisa le nto endifuna ube yiyo xa ndikubhena ndikubhenda izolu hlobo why bona bengenayo loo nto and also like do they feel like Mac G was wrong about what she said?
Was eyivala phasi
Ivala.
zingeni so uphendula ivileyo mas
I think angiyawazi lo mbuzo afuna ukuwubuza for Mark. Okay guys, okay. So asikwazi thina ukunifundisa ni. Kamfonyoza. Nizi 2 minutes noodles.
Yabo.
Umuntu abenepifta.
Yabo.
Ibe nkulu ibe right.
Yabo.
Abela fika nje 2 minutes.
Yabo.
Ngeke uzoyifundisa hapha.
Yabo.
Uzofundisa ukuthi okay fine, so chitha. Because masikukwena wena okhondola ukuchitha. Uzomfundisa ukuthi baby stop asuchitha ngoku. Uzowenza njani? Nona ngifuna ukuva kuni ngifuna senze njani?
Good point, Gota.
Ngifuna sithini?
Good point, Gota.
Sikubambe sithi ukuchitha. Ngoba phela wena ozibayo ukuthi noma sengizochitha ngoku.
Kanini nihamba nithetha ngazo zwe nifike.
but
Ela uma ufonyoza yafonyoza.
but
Nje bade thomi yami ingabhayizeli ngakwena.
the point I got no point
No point, bra. Hayi vumelana naye Claudia.
Nzamba wena yabanda.
Imagine
Ibuyile ingxaki.
imagine pet. Thicinga ba no man. Eva, ndofumana ipifa.
ukhwele taxi eziyi-2 or 2 minutes
Bayithumele sinedlo.
Hayibo. Hayi ngikhule emateksi amathathu nebhasi yaphezulu.
Part of life my land.
Ngifike emntwini ngisho
Asking my friend.
Ngifundiswa lokho ukuchitha ngo 2 minutes.
athetha kabuhlungu nganami
Kabuhlungu mngani wami.
Part of life.
yeah 2 minutes zigqithe
So kumele understand nomazana ba okay fine. Uphe uchitha ngo 2 minutes.
Bakhona abantu aba-understandayo, bakhona. Hayi bonke guys. Hayi abo nabathethelele. Hayi bonke.
Ngicela ukubuza umuntu osifazane mayibanda. Usuke njani?
Singakwazi uyenza 45 minutes yonke ndingacama nocama.
So shuthi i-feelings zakho zisuke zingaconnect naye.
Andazi usukubanda.
No, usuke.
Wawuyibale kuba usukubanda.
Usuke i-feelings zakho zingaconnect nalo muntu oleli naye right now. Not that ukuthi uyabanda because komunye umuntu uzofika amchamisa.
Yazi into endingayitsho mina. Ipifta okanye
Ifta.
lethu ipifta ne. Ipifta inengqondo yayo. Iyazicingela ipifta.
Sizonifundisa kanjani ke ukuthi ke ningabi o2 minutes necklace mangabe ibifta inengqondo yayo. Because ibifta nayo inengqondo yayo.
Hayi kwazi.
Mhlawumbe ndingu2 minutes nodlulisa kuba kaloku. Yabo.
Ubushushu.
awunancedakala ityimpeso man usamleza man
Ayikho into esingayinceda mara ukuthi 2 minutes necklace guys uzothi.
cacile wena ushushu xa ingu-2 minutes
Ecacile wena ushushu mabe u2 minutes.
Uthena ungayithathi ngolo hlobo kuba wena ushushu.
No. Even makuthiwa ushushu. But 2 minutes noodles. What 1 2? Bese uqine. Azontombazana ithini yakho.
sex ayosport is pleasure
Ewe awuji. Okay fine. So wena uthole pleasure intombazana ingatholi pleasure.
Round 1 wamajita. Round 2 wakho.
Uchithe kudala. unikeza u-round 2 phinde futhi still wenze the same.
I will
I got it wrong. Got it wrong.
Kuyadingakala.
Okay, next
Don't be ashamed.
Next question.
Don't be ashamed. Next VN. Last VN.
Because yebo ngoku uyashisa manje.
Tangibuze bakhe the type iziphi types amamithi like yabo like type bakhe indoda must type yabo ezawe if ewe why yabo cause like it's not like bakhe amamithi awakwazi like yenza season there like abe nemali type yabo yazi like relationship 50-50 yabo nami kuyandiva nata
Vila mas indoda must wena.
Are you and Dr. Master?
No guys.
All eyes on you.
No, angiyona indoda must. Mna I believe ukuthi umuntu wesifazane kumele abe independent.
Yeah.
Angadepend emntwini wesilisa.
Yeah.
Because shuthi mangihlala noliyema ngoku shuthi ngizodlulela komnye. Naye phela kumele ngi-expect ukuthi okay fine kumele angithengele roll on, kumele angithengele ama-pads, kumele angithengele ama-pant, kumele angithengele i-weave, mina ngiyenzani? Mina ngihleli ngibhala u-4. Ngiya-receive. Then bese ngithi mase ngimbona ngizomba ngebhesta. No.
Eish. Hayi, I give up. But indoda engabhejizwa la nomama guys.
Pull out, mawungabheji. Pull out.
Okay.
Pull out.
Yonke into zinikela kuwe ngoku.
Can pull out.
Ayivali show i-podcast or what?
I say vala. So thank you guys for sending EVNs. So we're gonna keep on interacting. Sinibuzi mibuzo nistumele EVN. Then you're gonna react and answer questions. So listen, siyabulela cool for and sharing knowledge yako. Even though your knowledge yako, you're wild. You're wild. So thank you guys for tuning in. Catch us next time on another episode, and guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
So call content is my boss. Wow, chance out.
That's another content for another day.
Big pride. Wow, chance out.
Wow, chance out, big brother.
Wow, chance out.
Why are you smoking?
Explain yourself.
Wow, chance out.
Sometimes the life isn't as bad. Kumele uqhunya sometimes because anohleli ukwatile nje yabo thila ne-problems ukwatile ngapha umuntu ufamous or uyazixhoma so as bro get time, don't pass judgment, pass the plans.
Thank you guys for tuning in.